let the bells ring out for Christmas. Let them spread the joy and cheer. Make the whole world know that Christmas Day is a special day each year. For the kids, there's excitement all over their faces when they find Santa brought them that brand new toy. And for the sad and the sick and the lonely, why, just the thought of Christmas brings them a little joy. But though there's fun and laughter for all, and tidings that bring good cheer, let's not forget at Christmas time just why this day is here. Let the whole world know that Christmas Day is a special day each year. It's going to be a good year for Santa Claus. At our house, there's hardly room for another gift beneath the tree. But when I was a boy one year, he nearly got lost. Almost didn't get around to me. You see, I was the youngest, and Dad called to me one day. Said he'd found a nice tree to cut down. So we hauled it home, and I could hardly wait for the gifts to start piling around. It kept getting closer to Christmas Eve, and the tree was still bare, not a gift of any kind. Then one evening, Dad called us together and said something about it being hard times. Christmas Eve, we sat listening to it storm, till Mom called, "It's time for bed." Dad said, "Run along, son. I'll keep watching for him." Then kind of to himself, he said, "What with this and that and now the weather, old Santa just might have got lost. But you can just bet it won't storm forever. It's just been a bad year for Santa Claus." But I couldn't figure it out, but I lay there trying. And before dropping off to sleep in my prayers, I mentioned Dad being worried about hard times and Santa having a bad year. Christmas morning, Dad shook me awake. Said, "Come on out to the barn and see what Santa brought." And there in the corner by his mother lay the prettiest newborn coat you ever saw. So what with this and that and then the weather, old Santa don't never get lost. You can just bet it don't storm forever. It's going to be a good year for Santa Claus. You know, Lord, it's been a while since I talked with you. I've been so gall done busy with the crops and all, and, well, I guess I just forgot to take time out. But I ain't forgetting that good crop of corn you done give us this year. And that little heifer you brought us is growing like a weed. Yes, sir. Without that crop, Lord, I guess I'd have had to do without that new plow. And Ma wouldn't have that new Sunday dress she's so proud of now. Oh, I guess we wouldn't have a lot of things, Lord, if it weren't for you. And that new church in the valley, Lord, well, that's about the finest thing you could ever do. The town's mighty proud of it. We're all going to be there Christmas Day, too. Oh, you know, Billy's going to make it home from the Army for Christmas this year. And we all want to thank you for that, because we sure do miss him. It seems like just yesterday we was buying him Christmas toys. And he was running all over the house, making a lot of noise. You know, Ma and me, we laugh about that every now and then. Oh, it's going to be good to have him home again. Well, Lord, I suppose I've used up about all my time. And there must be a lot of others waiting in line. I reckon during this time of year, lots of people is waiting for you to share their Christmas cheer. So don't you worry none about us, Lord, because me and my family is going to have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.